Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what lovely things are we gonna learn today. So here, using a bottle cap, you need to make it on the top and you can always play with it. Now here you have to get these sheets, arrange them up in a layer like this and get your trees made in this manner. This is amazing. You have to make the flowers yet ready to go. Now here you have to get the straps and then make it into this shape. You have to roll it and get them arranged in this form. This is gonna look yet pretty. Now here you have to get the bottle cap and then this one you need to make a juicer and you can make the arrangement in this way. Now here you have to get this one made. Make the watermelon, the dots and all, and you need to cover it up in this way and you can just rotate it and play with it. This is yet amazing. Now you need to cut them up and get the straps made. You need to fold it and rotate them up in this manner. This is yet amazing. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get these ice cream sticks and then you need to color them up in this way. Make these patterns, make this slice. Further here you need to make the dots all over. This is yet cool. Now here, over a plastic cup, you need to get these fins attached and keep it inside and your wall hanging is gonna be ready. Cool, right? Now here you have to get the imprints of your foot, and further what we need to do, you need to just make it and then just play with it over a tape like this. Isn't it cool? Here let's move on to our next item, and here you need to just get the folds of the sheets like this and then arrange them up in this pattern. With the help of Fevicol you need to paste it and get them made in this way. Further you need to just rotate it in this manner and get them beautifully made. Make the wings and all, and this is gonna look yet amazing. Now you need to just color them up in this manner to make it look like this. Isn't it cool? You need to rotate it and get them done in this way. With the help of Fevicol you need to paste it and get them made in this way. This is yet cool. Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we up to. You have to just arrange it in this way. Just roll it further and make the broomstick in this manner. This is gonna look yet pretty. You have to just arrange it in this way and this will just make it look awesome. Now let's have a look. What are we going to do next here? You have to get some water and make this arrangement in this way. Proceeding here, you have to get some incisions and cuts like this. Arrange them into the form of a fish in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to color them up in this way and this will just look damn pretty. Now here you have to get the cup like this, the plastic bottle cap, and then get your watch ready. This is yet amazing. Now here you have to get the eggshell, get the pulp out, and over the shell you need to draw some winged expressions in this manner. This is gonna look pretty. Make the eyes as well and your light lamp is ready.